To send a message with DragonFly, open the app and tap the Messages tab in the bottom right corner. Then tap the new message icon. Next, you'll type the name of the people or teams you would like to message. As you start typing, a list of options will appear in the drop-down menu. Tap to select your recipients. Use the icons to send the message to just the team and parents, or just parents. The group chat icon controls the replies. When it is selected in red, it means the replies are seen by everyone. When it is not selected in gray, it means only the sender, in this case you, will see the responses. Once you've selected who you're messaging, just type in your message, add a photo or video if you'd like, and hit send.